Assume command.
Had the opportunity to visit Queen Creek Fire and Medical Team and check out their mobile drone dock deployment. We started the day with some SOP testing, moving the vehicle during a flight from the dock. The remote pilot was able to navigate the drone to a safe space and land the drone.
Landing.
Then they followed the prompt, placing the drone back in the dock, calibrating the dock, and the system was ready for the next flight. Good thing, because we had a call out to a fire. The system was able to be monitored remotely as the dock was driven there.
Assume command, and we're going to balance this to a working fire.
And upon arriving on scene and calibrating the dock, we were able to launch and orbit the scene, providing the incident commander on site additional situational awareness through a live stream. Placing the dock on the battalion chief vehicle means it's oftentimes going to be the first vehicle to the scene. One of the major items the team wants to avoid is firefighters being under a burning roof that could collapse. The IR camera is able to help monitor the structure for hotspots and temperature information. In the words of Sig from the team,
what we'd like to do at first is we kind of do like a 360 view. And after we do kind of like that 360 view of the house and let the incident commander kind of see what's going on, we start looking at these gable ends. So that is a vent that allows air to go inside the attic space. But that if there's a fire in the attic, that's also going to exhaust the air. So air is going to travel in and then shoot smoke out because the fire's breathing basically. It's trying to take in oxygen. So it'll have an intake and then it'll have an exhaust.
Because it would be you in the garage and there's fire above you, because then that could potentially like collapse on you.
Well, yeah, because the structure is only being held on by 2x4s. So this whole deal could just collapse on us and then we'd all be having a really bad day.
following the fire, we headed out to a trail area where a previously lost hiker was one of the key drivers to starting the UAS program at the department. We went ahead and set up some automated routes following trails and searching areas where the drone can use its onboard processing to help look for people. This workflow can be used for future callouts, and the team can proactively create routes ahead of time. Overall, big thanks to the team for having me out. Certainly one of the leaders in the mobile deployment of docks for public safety, and it was great to do some training and see the system in action.